All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Portrait 5x7 photo preset. So you can see right here, this was the 4x6 we were using. So we're going to close that. And so for this image, we're not going to be able to fill a 5x7. I'll show you. So I'm going to do File, New, and we'll go to Photo. We'll do View All Presets, and we'll go to 5x7. We'll create, and I'm going to go to the photo here, Control A, Control C. Go back to Untitled and Control V to paste him in there, and you can see he's not even close to filling that image. So what we're going to do is I'm going to right click and we're going to do pixels, and I'll show you the type of pixels we need for the width, which is 1500, and the height, we're going to need 2100. So let's go to Firefox or Chrome, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Tools, and we're going to do large, medium, icon, let's see, any size. Let me go to Tools and do we can do size. Let's do 2000 by 2000. Okay, so okay, there we go. So I'll click on that one. And let me close that. Let's see if I can find another one that will fit that res. That's a good picture. Okay. So I'll open that one up. And if I go to the okay, let's see here. I'm going to close that. Let's right click on this and save the image. And I'll save it to the desktop. Let's minimize that. I'm going to do File, Open. And then let's open that picture up and go to Image, and we're going to do canvas size. And okay, so it is 2000 by 2000. All right, so if I hit Control A, Control C, and go to Untitled 1 and paste that in, you can see this little guy, he fits just about the whole canvas. He's missing a little bit, but not much. So you can put him right there, and he kind of fits exactly what we're trying to do. So I'm going to do File, and we're going to do Save As, and we're going to call this 07 Portrait 5x7. Okay, I'll hit Save. Okay, so that's one example. We'll leave him there. Let's go back to Firefox, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to let's do like a Porsche. Okay, 911, and let's do 3000 by 3000. Okay. And let's see how high res I can find. Let me just see here. Okay, so that's 800 by 800. Okay, that's a good shot. Okay, let's do, instead of a Porsche, let's do mountains. So we'll do mountains. Okay, so let's grab this one. Oh, this is a replication of the Rocky Mountains. Okay. I'm going to close that. And let's see if we can actually find a real picture of the Rockies, not a pixelated version, which is for a game, which is very cool, by the way. Let me go down here. Let's see. Let's do this one. Okay, so I'm going to right click and save this image. And let's go to Photoshop and do File, Open, and grab that image there. I'll Control A, Control C, go into Portrait. Okay, so that's not the right size, which is fine. Let's go to there we go. That's a good picture. So I'll save that. Let's click on it just to see if we can get a higher res. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's a good picture. So let's save that. And then close these out and minimize Firefox, and then do File, Open. And we will open that. Control A, Control C, go to portrait, paste that in. Okay, so now you can see, now that I found one that will kind of work for what we're doing to a certain degree. If you want a wider shot, it's better to use landscape than portrait. However, if you're just trying to make this the focal point of the picture, like just the middle part, then this is perfect. Okay, so I'm going to save that. And that is the portrait 5x7. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.